Hey guys, it's that time for another What I Eat in a Day vegetarian style, and I'm going to show you guys what I ate in one single day. There's a little disclaimer if you guys want to pause it and read it. So, as usual, we're going to start off with coffee. I love myself a cup of coffee, sometimes two, and I use a Keurig and I use the Starbucks Pike's Place, and I just brew that up, and then I use the Coffee Mate creamer in peppermint white mocha. Actually, I think it's just peppermint mocha, but it is so bomb, guys. I love this stuff so much. And I've tried vegan coffee creamers, and I just can't find one that I like. So if you guys have a good recommendation, let me know. But this Coffee Mate creamer is like a guilty pleasure for me, guys. So for breakfast, I'm doing a breakfast that I actually eat quite a bit. So I'm just going to take a whole banana and I'm going to chop it up into thin slices. And I'm not going to use all of the slices, so keep half of the banana unsliced. And I'm going to pop a piece of bread down into my janky toaster oven. And I use like potato bread, but if you want to be healthier, I would definitely consider using like a 9-grain bread or something like that. But I just slather that in peanut butter for protein, and then I throw on my banana slices. And then on top of the banana slices, I do chia seeds. Now, it depends on the day, but sometimes after the chia seeds, I'll do honey. I really like honey, but this day I did cinnamon and sugar, just like a little tiny drizzle of cinnamon and sugar because I love cinnamon and sugar and peanut butter together. It's so good. So I just do a little bit just for some flavor, and it was delicious, guys. So now for lunch, I actually recently made this giant pot of pinto beans. If you've never made pinto beans, definitely do it. They're so much better than canned beans. You just soak your beans overnight, and then you saute diced onion, garlic, and diced green chilies in a big pot, and then add beans and cover it in vegetable stock. And then add about a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of cumin, salt and pepper, and you just simmer covered for like 3 hours. And you have yourself some really bomb pinto beans, and it makes such a difference, you guys, making your own pinto beans. I will just usually eat like a giant bowl of these with like some cheese and sour cream and stuff on it, and they're delicious. So I just get popped a little bit into the microwave, and then I cut up some lettuce, some romaine lettuce. You could do spinach if you want. And then I also used a little bit of cilantro, and I chopped that up. And then I opened up an avocado for a little bit of fat. And I cut those into little cubes, or a half of it into little cubes. And I think I used maybe about a fourth of the avocado, I would say. And then I toasted up some tortillas. So I used 4 corn tortillas because I like to double up my corn tortillas. And I cooked them over an open flame, and it makes such a difference. It gives that really nice charred flavor. And then I put a little bit of sour cream down on the tortillas, and I put the warmed up pinto beans into the tortillas. I actually probably could have used more pinto beans after eating these, but I just layered up some cheddar cheese on top of that. You could also use cotija. Is that how you pronounce that? That would be really good as well. And then the avocado, lettuce, and cilantro. And they made the best tacos ever. And then on top of the cilantro, at the very end, I added a little bit of ohana salsa, which is bomb. And then I ate the rest of the pinto beans on the side. And that was my lunch, and it was really, really, really good. So for snack, I went the really, really healthy route, and I decided to go with 2 double stuffed Oreos and almond milk. So this is a place for health, you guys. You're getting like the best nutrition advice out of anybody on YouTube, so I'm just throwing that out there. So for dinner, we balanced it out with some nice giant salads. I went over to my mom's house actually this night because my kids had ballet, and my mom teaches them ballet, and she whipped up these massive salads with like every topping that you could possibly imagine. And we used romaine hearts and spinach for our lettuce of choice, and they were amazing, guys. And one thing that I love about making salads is I feel like my daughters eat so much fresh vegetables while I'm like whipping up a salad. They eat so much more vegetables while I'm making salad than they do like in regular meals. There's just something about fresh vegetables that are so easy to eat. But we had so many amazing toppings. We also had berries on the side and some bread and butter. I just had the lettuce. I did like 3 scoops of lettuce. You're gonna see me kind of make my salad right here. And then shredded carrots, some green onion, and then I did a couple scoops of avocado on top of that, and then some cherry tomatoes. I'm not a huge cherry tomato fan, but I'll do it on salads. And then radishes, which if you guys didn't know is one of my favorite vegetables, and celery. And then I did a whole hard-boiled egg. I am a vegetarian that eats egg, so I put egg on top of that, and then some cheddar cheese and some black beans. My mom had some turkey and ham for her salad and my dad's salad, but I skipped out on that, of course. And then I did some slivered almonds, and that was it for the toppings. And then she had these 2 dressings, ranch or cilantro avocado. I just chose ranch because I'm a ranch girl. I like me some ranch. And that was it for my dinner. And it was bomb. It was so good. Sometimes a big giant like chef salad is literally all you need in life. And it was really, really good. So I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys got some good ideas. And let me know if you guys want to see more of these videos in the future, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.